This video is on behalf of Solar Bank Corporation. How's it going, everybody? It's Stas here. Welcome back to yet again another video. So we're going to break down this company that I've been watching called Solar Bank Corporation. They trade on the NASDAQ under ticker symbol SUUN and on the CBOE Canada under ticker symbol SUN. We're going to break down this company in this video, go over why I'm watching them, why you should add them on your watch list as well, and just in general, go over what the company does, the stock charts here, and break down some big news that we've gotten over the past couple of months. So guys, stick on throughout the video, make sure to subscribe for more content, and let's dive into it. So right off the bat, guys, the main reason why I'm watching Solar Bank here is because of the overall transformation that the global energy sector is undergoing right now. Renewable energy investments in general are projected to surpass $1.5 trillion by 2028. And guess what? Solar power is playing a central role, and that's exactly where Solar Bank Corporation is playing right now, right? And their stock, you guys can see on the charts here, has been running a lot recently. We were at about $2 per share in the middle of January. We got all the way up by the middle of February to $6.50. That's a big move there, guys. We're talking about 200% there. And since then, we've seen a bit of a correction here. We're down to about $4 per share, and we're approaching the critical 180 moving average that you guys see on this 4-hour time frame, which that's kind of where I'm looking at in the short term here to see if buyers come in, whether it's at $3.50, $4 for this overall trend to continue, which of course is not guaranteed, guys. Trade at your own risk, right? But this could be opening up for an opportunity in the short term, and we'll break down the fundamentals here and some big news that we just got, which is also very exciting, you know, from a long-term perspective, the future growth of this company. So let's dive into it a bit deeper. So like I mentioned earlier in the video, guys, renewable energy investments are projected to surpass $1.5 trillion by 2028. And check this out right here. The global solar energy market is expected to grow from $272 billion roughly in 2020 to approximately $888 billion by 2028, which is a CAGR of about 15%. That's great growth there, guys. And that's mainly driven by increasing government incentives, corporate adoption, and of course, the global shift toward clean energy solutions. And Solar Bank is set to benefit big time from this, guys, over the coming years. And that's why I'm super excited about them and all the moves that they've been making here over the past couple of months. Let's take a look. So Solar Bank's clean and renewable energy solutions are integrated in power generation, transmission, distribution, and energy services, creating a clean and renewable power producer in the convergence of electricity grid and transportation grid for the digital world. You guys can see here above my head, we have generation, transmission, then distribution, which then gets passed on to retail services. And what I love about their business model is the fact that they're vertically integrated. You guys can see while most of the competitors to Solar Bank focus on single areas of the renewable energy value chain, right? Solar Bank's expertise is at every stage, and that makes them highly competitive on cost and volume. You guys can see right here from development to EPC, which is engineering, procurement, and construction, to O&M, operation and maintenance, all the way to independent power producer, IPP, right? Solar Bank has you covered. Again, it's a vertically integrated business, which I love. And just last month in January, guys, Solar Bank announced a $49.5 million transaction with Qcells, and this is for the sale and construction of 4 solar projects in New York State and these projects will incorporate U.S. manufactured Qcells solar modules, aligning with the industry's push for domestic production. And I'm not sure if you guys knew this, but Qcells is actually one of the world's leading clean energy companies, recognized for its established reputation as a manufacturer of high performance, high quality solar cells and panels, and of course their portfolio of intelligent storage systems and growing international pipeline of large-scale renewable energy products. And guys, this company is headquartered in Seoul, South Korea, and this is great news for SolarBank. And just a couple of months ago, back in December, guys, SolarBank secured an almost $26 million project finance facility from the Royal Bank of Canada, guys, and this funding will support the development and construction of 2 battery energy storage projects, strengthening the company's position in energy storage. That's big. And speaking of those battery energy storage systems, well, you guys can see they just announced about 2-3 weeks ago the commencement of construction of first battery energy storage project, the BESS, in Ontario, guys. Very big news, and this expansion into energy storage aligns with the growing demand for grid reliability and renewable energy integration. And another big highlight from SolarBank over the past couple of months is their $45 million valued all-stock acquisition of Solar Flow-Through Funds, which you guys can see they had $9.2 million in revenue for the calendar year of 2023 and $9.4 million in revenue for the calendar year of 2022. There's a lot of potential there with Solar Flow-Through Funds. And recently, earlier in February, we got an update on their 2 community solar projects in New York, which they have a combined capacity of 14.4 MWDC, and then once operational, these projects could generate clean energy for approximately 2,100 homes. Guys, that's big. So there's no doubt that the renewable energy sector is evolving rapidly right now, with government incentives and policy shifts accelerating solar adoption, right, guys? And companies that are actively expanding their project pipelines and enhancing their technological capabilities could see increased market opportunities. And that's why I'm very excited about SolarBank here. With a focus on solar innovation, project development, and financing partnerships, SolarBank Corporation is positioning itself as a company to watch in the renewable energy space. And as the clean energy transition continues, guys, SolarBank's recent contracts, acquisitions, and expansion into battery storage highlight its role in this growing market. So make sure you guys add SolarBank Corporation onto your watch list. Like I said, they trade on the NASDAQ under ticker symbol SUUN and on the CBOE Canada under ticker symbol SUNN. And full disclosure, I'm not a financial advisor. This video was made on behalf of SolarBank Corporation. I own 0 shares of this stock right now, and you guys must do your own research and trade at your own risk. And with that being said, I'll catch you all in the next video. I'll see you there.